In this Pixlr Snippets tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Scene tools within Pixlr X. The Scene tools can be located within the Adjust and Filter icon in the Tools pane. Once opened, this tool gives us access to 4 different adjustment sliders. Let's see how they affect our image. You can use the Vignette slider to darken the edges of your image and emphasize the center. Sliding to the left will add white to the edges, while sliding to the right will darken the edges. Remember, you can always reset the value of any adjustment by clicking on the Reset button under the adjustment name. The Glamour slider adds an ethereal glow to everyday subjects, giving colors a pure, rich depth and lets you shift the color balance too. The Bloom slider makes the image look brighter and have a hazy look to it. It simulates the effects of extremely overexposed highlights on film. The purpose of the Dehaze slider is to add or remove atmospheric haze from your image. At the end of the tool panel, we have the Compare button. Click and hold here to see the before and after effects of any adjustments made to your image. Now that you know how to use the Scene tools, have fun creating with Pixlr X.